Did you know some languages have a fourth person? So like we have first, second, and third person pronouns and stuff in English, but they have a fourth person. Who is this fourth guy? Is he like breaking the fourth wall or something? Not exactly. I'll show you the situations where this guy kind of comes into play. If I say the sentence, he sees him, then you know it's one guy seeing another guy. But if I say he sees himself, then we know it's one guy seeing the same guy himself. So we mark the second one with like a reflexive suffix so we know it's the same guy. But what if instead we just defaulted to assuming whenever he or him is used, it's the same guy? So if I said he sees him, we would just know he's seeing himself because he's him. But if we wanted him to see another guy, we'd have to like mark that other guy somehow. So some languages just have another pronoun for that. So it'd be like sie zim. So he'd be like, he sees zim. It's sometimes referred to as the fourth person, but it's more properly called the obviative form. This form is commonly seen in Algonquian languages in North America, but there's sort of a similar thing in languages you might be more familiar with. So back to another English example. If I say he sees his dad, whose dad is it? Is it the guy that's seeing it or is it some other guy? It's actually not clear because his could just be referring to any guy other than I guess the dad. But in Latin, for example, you could say patrem suum videt, which means he sees his dad like his own dad. But you could also say patrem eius videt, which means he sees his dad but somebody else's dad. So with our fourth person sie zim, it would be kind of like saying he sees his dad versus he sees his dad. And this is kind of a thing in Spanish too where it's like él ve a su padre or él ve al padre de él.